Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious ginger tea. So let's see the ingredients first. I have some tea powder, about 1 inch size of ginger, some lime, and about 1 glass of water, and also some honey. So let's take a saucepan and add about 1 glass of water and let it boil. I've given the measurement for 1 glass of ginger tea. Let's add 1 inch size of ginger, which is crushed, and also add about 1/4 teaspoon of tea powder. Do not add too much of tea powder, otherwise our tea would become too dark and will not taste good. Now in the glass, let's add about 2 tablespoons of honey. You can alter the honey according to your taste. And also squeeze about half a lime into the glass. For 1 glass of ginger tea, half a lime would be sufficient. Now our tea has been boiling for about 5 minutes. Let's strain it into the glass. And mix it thoroughly. Check the sweetness and you can serve it hot. This tea is very healthy for digestion, cough, cold, and even for weight loss. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.